Okay. Yes.
You're gonna go in the bedroom.
I think the most common misperception about auditors is that we're really stuffy, boring people. But I think auditors are not scary. Auditors are fun. We are creative people, outside the box thinkers, and we really enjoy what we do. Yes, I know auditors are not scary. We audit state and local governments. Yes, we do. Anyone that receives government or federal dollars in the state, pretty much our office looks at them. We conduct audits to... Ouch, he's like biting my toes. We perform informative audits to improve government. Working here is great. We get to look at different parts of government all the time. Oh my God, these two are like this. We get to play with puppies sometimes. I also love the people that we work with. We have a great team, very fun. Come say hi to us at the auditor's office.